Want to make navigating with Google Maps even easier? Let me show you how to update your home and work locations for a smoother experience. Begin by opening the Google Maps app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from your App Store. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Under the Settings menu, look for and tap on Edit Home or Work. Here you'll see two options for both your home and work locations. Enter the address manually by typing it in, or select the location on the map by dragging and dropping the pin to the correct spot. After entering or adjusting your locations, make sure to tap Save. Google Maps will now use these updated details to provide more accurate navigation suggestions. You've successfully customized your home and work locations, making your journeys faster and more convenient. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more useful tips. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.